Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am excited to share my process of designing a logo for a YouTube channel. This is the channel for which I am designing a logo. Let's get started. As a starting point, I wanted the logo to be as simple as possible. I took a reference brain image and started drawing in the Procreate app. Here is a time-lapse video of the first design. Since the channel name has two words and both start with RE, I decided to use it this way. Additionally, I included a neural networking design in the form of squares and boxes. Initially, the client liked the idea but wanted the logo to be more irregular and have curves rather than a uniform pattern. I took this image as a base and started sketching it again, adding more curves, irregular lines and dots. Here is a time-lapse video of the second design. The second design looks good, but the letters do not connect with the brain. Then I decided to add the full channel name instead of these letters, this way. After adding the full name, the design started looking even better. However, the text and symbols still looked separated and disconnected. I wanted them to flow seamlessly with the overall design. I played with the text a couple of times and finally here is the result. I am so happy with how it turned out. My client was impressed when they saw the final design. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which design you liked the most in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.